What's going on, everyone? Michael here, and today we were talking about AI text to video generation with Blotato, OpenAI, and ChatGPT. I'm going to show you how you can start creating AI text to videos today so that you can start earning money online with AI. Now, if you've never made money online before and you've never done AI text to video, don't worry, you are in the right place. We've been doing AI text to video as a company for over a year now, and we get hundreds of leads and views from it. And I'm going to be showing you how you can do all of this with just one click. Before we dive in though, I recommend you go ahead and go to digitalplaybook.com. Link will be in the description where you can get my free checklist. This checklist will take you through a step-by-step process of how I do my content creation and AI traffic system. We have different prompts I use for my short form content on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. This is a list of 130 plus AI tools that I use to get paid to promote. We have done for you short form videos right here. You can start using for your content creation as well. And then just a library of different things that I use. So if you want all this, link will be in the description. But as a favor, go ahead and go to the comments and comment yes if you'd like me to keep you updated with more AI videos like this and how to get started with earning money with AI and how you can start creating videos with AI too. Please go ahead and leave a yes in the comments. But now let's go ahead and dive into the video. So if you want to go ahead and get to Blotato super quickly, just grab the checklist, go to this link right here. Also, link will be in the descriptions. But this is Blotato, and this allows you to not only create faceless videos, which is going to be the main talking point that I'm going to talk about, but also it allows you to schedule out content and do a lot of content creation for the writing platforms. So Twitter, not Instagram, what am I talking about? Twitter and LinkedIn, you're able to create some really cool different posts. As you can see right here, this is different text prompts that allow you to, just create different content. I haven't really messed with a lot of the different posts and the remix because I've been focused on the videos, but there's also a calendar in here too. I obviously use GHL, so I haven't touched this calendar yet, but I've looked. It's super easy to set up. These are where your published posts would be. Oh, that's sweet. Okay, and then this is where your failed posts would be, but the main thing I want to talk about right here is the video. So as you can see right here, these are where you can create your videos. After you create your video, you can just see them right here in the latest videos, but let's go through this process real quick step by step. So before this tool, there's really four main things that you would have to consider. Prompt engineering, AI image, voiceovers, all that stuff is combined into one now. So let's just take the first point in writing a script. So there's robots right here. I did that quick, but let's go ahead and jump over to ChatGPT. Let's go ahead and just basically use this, rewrite this about, I don't know why this is the first thing that came to my mind, but let's see what it does with race cars. So ChatGPT for anything, I use it for all. When I'm thinking about video scripts, keywords, I just use this as basically an assistant to help me get the ball rolling. So right here, copy this. Now I'm in the AI niche, but I like to create videos around pretty much anything really. So we'll take this, post that here, and it's going to tell you how long it is, 46 seconds. I like to keep my videos around 30 seconds for short form. So 25, that's good. We can see here, there's different themes. Apocalyptic, baroque, I definitely said that wrong, cyberpunk, dystopian. I think I'm feeling a dystopian race car. Or retro. Let's go retro. Choose a voice. Let's go ahead and let's go Nova for dystopian. Surreal would be a cool theme as well. But this is connected with 11 Labs, so we're gonna have the voiceover, no watermark, and captions. So if you've been following this channel for a while, you'll notice that I've always talked about you have to go into 11 Labs to create the voice, and we got to import in the CapCut for the captions. This takes away all of these other steps. And I'm actually working on another video too that implements HeyGen with this tool, which is like an AI avatar, but that is for another video. So right now I'm just generating the script. It takes a couple seconds here, and voila. As you can see, we have 3 different shots right here. So these are going to be 3 different images that we can create. And right here, it already has done the prompt engineering for us that's going to create that AI generated image. What I like to do is sometimes I'll mess with these because the animated image is kind of what I go with. So we're going to let that load. Image, cool, I'll leave that. So we're going ahead and generate. And then as you can see down here, it's generating the different images of the race car. Now that looks pretty cool. And if I would have clicked down here, this would have just showed another text to image prompt, and I could change everything a little bit. But for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do this really quickly. Now, since I changed the animated image, or since I changed it from the cheapest model to the animated image, it is going to take a little bit longer, so about 5 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this and then come back to when it's completed. So we are back. The video is completed. Now all we have to do is go ahead and export it. But I just want to show you real quickly what these different shots would look like. So let's say you don't like this shot. You can just hit new draft or new draft and it'll change up that image. You can do that right here as well. So let's go ahead and export this video. So with the quality of the images that these are creating, you can, your faceless YouTube shorts channels, whatever you're wanting to do, you're able to create a really nice entertaining story. So let's go ahead and watch this, and wow, quality is amazing.
Race cars are the epitome of,
well, let's turn this up a little bit. I'm not sure how much you can hear.
Speed and precision, designed to dominate the tracks with unparalleled performance. These high-powered machines combine cutting-edge technology with aerodynamic designs, ensuring maximum speed, agility, and control. With engines that roll.
Okay, so that is very good. So I can see the video generated is extremely nice. But now the whole question would be, so how can we make money with these AI generated videos? So what we want to do is go back to the digital playbook, and under the VIP checklist, I kind of show you how to set up everything. What you would need if you want to do this the automated way is there is a tool called Go High Level right here. Go High Level is a CRM that allows you to send emails, post content, and also schedule out content. And this right here is the social planner. So I scheduled these out to my different social media platforms, and I'm getting traffic. And the traffic that I'm getting, I'm sending to a landing page. And that is what is putting them on my email list. And I'm eventually to market to them and sell them different AI generated tools. So what you need to do is you can grab Go High Level to get you set up with this. But also you can do this manually. Like you don't have to do this. You don't have to get this to start. So everything you can do. Let's talk about how you can sign up for these different AI tools. So a good example is you can actually use that tool that I was showing you, Blotato, and you can actually sign up to become an affiliate of that tool. So you can actually create content and use that content to sell the tool itself. So let's just go ahead and go to, this is the main screen. So you'll have to log in or try it for free. And it's going to take you to, this is once you're logged in to a logged in account. You're going to want to go down here to help. Click help. And then you're going to scroll down to the left hand side. That's going to say affiliates. So you will just click here, click sign up to join affiliate, and then you will get taken to their dashboard where you are able to get a link. So let's just take that for an example. You'll get a link, and then you will create videos like this. And then let's say you're posting them on Facebook, Instagram. You are going to want to have some sort of caption that's going to say something like, I know this is just ChatGPT, but it'll be something like, comment AI if you want to make videos like these. So when they comment AI, that means they're going to be interested. That obviously helps the algorithm too, but that is where you're going to be able to send them to an opt-in form. So I'll briefly just touch on this real quick. So what an opt-in form is, it allows you to collect information. Normally it's like phone number, email, first name. What I do is I just do the typical, or I don't even do the typical, I just do first name. Let's use the actual real one that I use. Let's just use, I normally just ask for the full name and email address. So this is the actual funnel that I use. If you want it, it's in the VIP checklist. But this is what a simple opt-in is. Boom, they click there, first name, email. opt in, and then they get sent what they opted in for. So I briefly showed, a brief, I can't speak and I'm not editing that out. I just briefly went over that. Go ahead and let me know in the comments if this stuff makes sense and what other things you want me to make videos on. But if you guys want to start making sales, it is very simple. You need to mass create content because the volume negates luck. So that's the last thing I'm going to say, because if you made it this far, you're a real one. But that is all for this one, AI Pros, and I will see you in the next one.